When I was asked to create this commission inspired by the powerful prompt, "What is Black Joy?" I knew it had to be something deeply heartfelt and bold. Hey, my name is Dionne. Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I welcome you, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. So this 60 by 60 mosaic has been pushing me in different directions. I don't usually work in portraiture, so capturing emotion expression in this way was a real challenge, but one I'm fully embracing. So I chose rich earthy browns for the skin tone, and as you just saw, I paired this with some striking reds and blues just to hold the energy and motion of the piece. So this work is about joy, strength and presence, and it was inspired by some of the words that were given to me in the response to that question, what is Black Joy? So in this mosaic you're going to see some wording, not just the title, what is Black Joy, but you will see some wording within the actual mosaic itself. And I'm just going to do my usual Dionne style. I'm so excited to share this with you. So follow along, and I hope you like it, and leave your comments below. So far I am liking what I've created here, how I've placed the tiles. It has been very fiddly, but I'm liking what it looks like at the moment. I think it's a good representative of the original drawing, so I shall continue. Right, so now that I've finished his face, I'm looking at the nose area, or just underneath the nose area, and it doesn't look quite right. It's a bit too chunky. It looks a bit like double nose there going on. So I'm going to have to amend that, maybe bring the nose slightly further down or make the nostrils bigger or something. I'll have a look at it again once I've finished the ear, and hopefully it will make more sense to me. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This area here I need to change. It's not looking as it should. I like the nose part, but I think here just above the lip is not quite right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this section of the nose, move it down a little bit, move everything down basically, and trim these three off and see if that makes a difference. I might just do a little bit over here as well, see if that makes a difference, because as you can see this looks a bit wrong. Looks like he's got double nostrils or something. So yeah, I'm gonna do something with that. And I've also done his hand. I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep it that way. It looks okay. Yeah, I think I might keep the hand actually, because it doesn't look too bad. I'm not sure about this area here, but yeah, I think I'll keep that for now and just wait until I've completed a bit more of him. And if it needs changing, I can easily change it because it's on the mesh and it's stuck down with PVA glue. So yeah, so today I'm going to sort this out stick this hand down and then move on to this hand here, and perhaps attempt the neck. I'm a little bit scared to do the neck, to be fair, because I'm not sure which direction to go in, whether to go downwards or across. Intuition is telling me to go this way, but it's just basically the flow of the tiles which I'm concerned about. So I'm going to give that a go. If you're wondering what's going on with the hair, I'm creating some handmade tiles. So I've gone to my friend's, who is a ceramicist, and I've made my handmade tiles. Can't show you them because they've gone to be bisque fired. So what I've done is individually cut out tiny little circles, and they're going to be glazed. They're only probably about that wide as my my tweezers there, and I'm going to individually place them for the hair. I'm so excited. So they're going to be glazed and look all nice and shiny, and each person is going to get the same type of hair. So can you imagine how many I've had to create for this piece here? But yeah, so that's what's going on with the hair. That's why there's no hair there at the moment. All right, I better get on with it. Back soon. Okay, folks, I have finished the face. I've recut these tiles so the nose looks a lot better. I made this bottom top sort of lip area a lot smaller. I think I recut these to the nostril here and the middle bit of the nose. This one's the same. I didn't bother to cut it in the end, and yeah, it looks much better. So that's good. And then the neck, I decided to go downwards, and I think that works pretty well. And once his outfit is in, I'm sure that will really stand out and look amazing. And then the hands, finished the hands, stuck the hands down. The under part of his hand here does look a bit weird at the moment, but I'm hoping that once I get his arm in, his outfit in, that will kind of make sense and it'll disappear. And of course we've got his drum and the rest of his outfit to put in. So yeah, I'm happy with my progress today. I need to stick his neck down now, and then I'm gonna leave his outfit. I'm not gonna put his outfit in, or should I? What should I do? Actually, no, I think I'm gonna finish him, yeah. Apart from his hair, because I won't be able to do his hair, but I will finish his outfit and everything, so he is done, and then I'll move on to this lady over here. All right, so that ends the first part of this video series, so tune in for the next one.